Smoky BBQ Wings in the air fryer. You guys gonna love this one here. Let's go. All right, guys, so here are the ingredients. Let's do a quick roll call. Not many ingredients, which is great, guys, but it's still really a delicious recipe. So right here we have our wings. We have some barbecue sauce here, olive oil, some W sauce. Right here I have Adobo Seasoning. And right here I have some smoked rub by Hunters. Guys, I really love his smoked rub. I put this almost on all my meats, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put the link to his website in the video description, so go over there to his website, check out his seasoning. You're gonna love it. Also, he has a YouTube channel, King of Foods. I'll put that in the video description below too, so you guys can check that out. And right here I have some vinegar, and here I have some liquid smoke. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and continue. So in this first step, we're gonna prepare a simple marinade for our chicken. So we're gonna take our ingredients like our olive oil, I'm gonna add it here to this dish, our W sauce, liquid smoke, white vinegar, our adobo seasoning, and our smoked rub. And we're just gonna give this a mix like this just to get it all combined. Just like that. Now what we're gonna do is just bring our chicken back into the shot, like that. And we're gonna take our marinade and we're just gonna pour it over our chicken like this. Guys, we're just gonna give this a quick mix with our hands. And typically what I do now is I cover them up and I let them sit in the refrigerator and marinate for about an hour. Now you can go ahead and cook them now if you want to, but I'm just gonna go through the process, let them sit in, marinate, just to get that maximum flavor. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna drop them in the air fryer, all right? All right, so now we're back after an hour and a half of letting our chicken marinate. I've already preheated our air fryer so it's good and hot on 400 degrees for about 5 minutes. So as you can see, I've already placed our wings into our fryer. Now guys, don't overcrowd. I know this kind of looks like it's overcrowded, but it's a little bit of space in here. Maybe I could take out a few, but if I did, it'd only be, maybe about 3 or 4. And I don't want to cook 4 wings on round 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them all in here. So we're gonna go ahead and put this into our air fryer, our basket back into our air fryer. We're gonna turn it on. We'll set our temperature to 400 degrees. And we're gonna let these cook for 20 minutes, flipping them over midway through the cooking process, all right? All right, guys, so we are back here after 10 minutes. Let's pull our wings out. Let's take a look at what we have here. So what we're gonna do now is just gonna turn them over. All right, guys, so now that we have them all turned over, what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick them back in here for another 10 minutes. And we're gonna be right back. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and stop this about 2 minutes before being done. All right, guys, so take a look at that. So we're gonna remove our wings. All right, so what we're gonna do now that we have our wings out of our air fryer, we're gonna take our barbecue sauce, and I'm gonna take about about a fourth of a cup, and we're just gonna toss them around in this bowl just like this. Guys, take a look at that. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our basket, bring it back over. We're gonna drop these back in the air fryer. They're completely cooked. We don't wanna let them sit in here too long. So we're gonna let this sauce cook into it for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're gonna pull them back out, all right? All right, guys, take a look at that. We're about 2 minutes in. Oh man, them babies ready to go right there. All right, so what we're gonna do next, we're just gonna remove them, and I'm gonna add them back to the bowl. And guess what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna resauce them. Of course, you can eat them exactly like this if you want to. Feel free to do so. But Spinelli gonna bring them back in this bowl, and we're gonna resauce them. A little bit more of our barbecue sauce. You don't need much this time around. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna get them tossed in here like that. Man, take a look at that. All right, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put these over on the plate, and we'll be right back. And there you have it, guys. Air fryer barbecue chicken wings. Guys, let me know what you think about this recipe in the comments below. Also, the measurements and ingredients are all in the video description below. Yes, I'm ready to get into quality control. I know it's just barbecue wings, but I know they taste delicious, and I love me some barbecue. I'm from Alabama, guys. All right, let's go. All right, so we're here for quality control. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we have. Man, y'all already know When I bite into one of these, you already know what I'm gonna say. Let's go ahead and try it out. Tender too. You know we're on that barbecue, so you know we lick our fingers. God, if I got barbecue sauce on my face, on my mouth, y'all just gonna have to forgive me, because I am eating some barbecue. And that's what we do when we eat barbecue. You know, we lick our fingers, elbows on the table, and we go all in. Guys, this is a delicious recipe. I know it's simple, you know what I'm saying? But sometimes simple is good. I'm not gonna prolong this, it's just barbecue chicken, but guys, it's delicious, it's quick, it's easy, not many ingredients. So until then, you guys already know, these some good groceries. And this is All Wings Everything. You know who I am. And remember, I ain't no chef. I just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.